Hello traders, today is the 3rd of December, Thursday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. Today we had amazing volatility today in the market, bank beautiful pips, and let me show you one of my traders shared his today's stats. Let's see, he just opened a few trades but he made a beautiful profit today. Let me share with you where's the today. All right, so as you can see, it's the live account, and he made it 6,912 dollar in profit today, just only trading euro yen because we were watching in the euro yen. We had a big psychological number, and which we explained last night, and the bank such a beautiful. He opened a couple of positions last night based on the analysis, and he made only one trade today, and the bank has such a beautiful profit today. Right, guys. So let's back to the analysis, and I'll show you which analysis he, made a beautiful profit. Okay, so Euro USD. As you can see, this morning we have seen very strong bullish momentum, and we explained price might going to hit this level, and which is the red fib channel, and few pips because we're watching in 4 hour. Let me show you with what exactly I mean it. You can see after that price came back, but we were watching in 4 hour. If you look at here, we explained to trader that possibility price touched this level previously, third touch. So expecting here possibility of counter short trade, which we explained to our trader. And at that time the price was at this level, so we said we might going to squeeze a few more pips. After that we should be looking at counter short trade, which is I'm going to show you later on further analysis. So this was the first few pips this morning based on the momentum breakout long trade, and this one pound dollar. This one again, as you can see, based on the analysis, as always, based on the momentum, we're always looking trades towards the momentum. As you can see, the price nicely respected, as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful pullback long as soon as the price hit to the previous high. We mentioned it's time to consider banking some pips or manage your stop loss accordingly. So beautiful analysis on pound dollar. Pound yen again, first priority based on the momentum, another pullback long. And euro yen, this was the analysis we explained to our traders that price, because this is the fib channel which we are using it. If the price at this level, if the price is above that, we don't take initiate for long trade, but we mainly look for the counter short trade alongside with the 4 hour analysis. We basically let me share with you the 4 hour in yeah, if you look at this morning, we have this very small candle bearish rejection. If you look at a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, almost 13 candles, bullish candles once this candle came. And we look at it, the big psychological number, which is 126 600 level. That's the level when the price hit to the fib channel, which we explained to our trader, as you can see here. So we explained to trader like here we can see the price is developed head and shoulder pattern, and that's the good sign. We also did another analysis for look for the safest way to look for this breakout short trade. As you can see, we had a beautiful short trade, and later on we also had another pullback short trade on euro yen today. Dollar Swiss franc, as you can see, another one very small counter long trade. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. As you can see, the price developed another consolidation, but look at the bottom, momentum was bullish. So based on that, beautiful breakout long trade on pound yen. Pound Swiss franc, again, we had a consolidation and we were looking a breakout. As you can see, after that, we had another beautiful, based on the momentum, pullback long trade after the breakout. Pound dollar, beautiful. You can see we did this analysis. So look, guys, we were looking at breakout opportunity. Price basically stayed in this consolidation zone. because we were mainly interested to break out long based on the momentum. We can see this is on the breakout trade and another on breakout, beautiful long trade on pound dollar. And Euro USD, this was again as soon as we had this counter short trade, but we explained to our trader, look for the pullback, but mainly we explained to trader, if the price is going to, as mentioned here, if the price going to break this level, or if the price going to break this one, then we should be looking at initiating a trade accordingly. But we were mainly interested in a long trade, as you can see, based on the momentum. As you can see, the price nicely broken and hit to the first target. Beautiful long trade on Euro USD. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward based on the momentum. Long trade. Aussie dollar, as mentioned on the analysis. Price came back here, retest as mentioned here, and develop another pullback and nicely hit to the first final target. Dollar yen, this was the beautiful trade this morning. As you can see here, price nicely broke on this triangle pattern. I can see here, based on the momentum, we announced another pullback, and our final target was here, but we said as long as candle is bearish, we should be staying in this rally. As soon as the price hit to the final target we were watching in 4 hour, we announced to bank some beautiful profit on dollar yen. Pound dollar, again, we already had this, as you know, that today we had such a beautiful bullishness on pound dollar. This one again, beautiful. You can see based on the analysis, beautiful pullback long trade, and we hit nicely profit target. We had another counter short trade, beautiful. I'll explain to you in a minute. So beautiful pullback long trade on pound dollar. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis this morning, we had a breakout, and afterwards we also announced another pullback short trade on euro pound. Pound Swiss franc, based on the analysis, we already had this breakout, and then price developed another consolidation based on the momentum, breakout long trade, and the pullback long trade on pound Swiss franc. Pound dollar, as you can see here, we did another analysis because we were watching in 4 hour, and 135,000 area, big psychological number, which we were looking at short trade at that level. We explained to trader, every time when the price goes up and develop a pullback, we should be taking a short trade. Let me share with you the 4 hour chart, so at least you will understand here. You can see this was the big psychological number, 135,000 area, and price nicely respected, and we explained to take a counter short trade at this level. So probably you might going to see the rest of the day, hopefully tomorrow, might going to see the short trade, because you can see the price develop a false breakout, and tomorrow is an FP news as well. So let's see, we're going to have more fun tomorrow. All right, so based on that, you can see here, we had a one pullback, and afterwards when the price developed, if you see, triple top, beautiful, and we announced taking a short trade, and as soon as the price hit to the support level, we announced to bank some profit on pound dollar. Dollar Swiss franc, again, this was the counter short trade, mainly when the price is below this red fib channel. We're mainly interested to long trade. As you can see, basically we have another beautiful counter long trade on dollar Swiss franc. Euro USD, as you can see, when the price reached this level and develop another pattern, as you can see here, as mentioned on the analysis, we should be looking at short trade. As soon as the price, respected, we can see beautiful counter short trade on Euro USD. Dollar CAD, we were watching in 4 hour. Based on that, we explained in the analysis, look guys, we have this false breakout, price broken but could not respect, as mentioned on the analysis and through live analysis. So the best way to look for if the price is going to break this channel, which price nicely broken, you can see here, beautiful, and we announce afterwards any pullback would be considered high probability trade based on the price action. You can see beautiful, another pullback short trade on dollar CAD. Euro yen, as you can see, once we have this bank profit head and shoulder pattern develop, and afterwards we are expecting another. You can see the price nicely, as explained to our trader 1, 2, and this would be a third touch. And that's going to be a high probability trade based on the high time frame analysis. And as soon as the price break, we announce through live audio commentary, it's time to take a short trade here based on the analysis. Beautiful. And afterwards, when the momentum developed bearish, we announce to take another pullback short trades on euro yen. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all these analysis details. If you would like to see all that analysis with the detailed explanation through live audio commentary, with alongside the trade updates in real time. Even if you don't have forex trading experience, we also provide forex coaching and training through this live intraday analysis. So at least you understand how we analyze market in a high time frame and initiate trades in a shorter time frame, which we have built this system. Or even if you are struggling, most welcome, join our platform and develop your trading skill in real time. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to make all that profit every single day alongside with our professional trader. So most welcome to join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Tomorrow we have NFP news. Hopefully we might gonna have an interesting analysis. Let's hope. All right, guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.